How to create scheduled tasks in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Click Scheduled Tasks option. You can see and change your time zone before you schedule a task. Just click the Settings button and select your time zone from the list. Now click the Add Tasks button. Now click the Options button and select the type of task you want the Plesk to perform. For instance, I want to run a PHP script. Specify the full path to the PHP script on the server. You can also select the PHP script through the folder icon. Select the PHP version from the drop-down list. It will be used to run the PHP script. You can specify when and how often you want the task to run. By default, scheduled tasks will run daily at midnight. Enter a description. By clicking these options, you can notify how often and whom to send a notification. I leave the default setting. When ready, click OK. That's it. The task has been created. It will keep running until we remove it. It is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.